Hi Sky Lovers! Welcome to HJDB Random Vids. In this video, I will show you the third quests of the Bluebird season. Tap the red dot button above the Spirit Guide and in your right side. We will go to the Spirit Guide in the elevated clearing of the Hidden Forest. Let's enter the portal of the Hidden Forest. From here, let's fly to the next part of the Hidden Forest until we reach the part where there is rain. I will do the daily quest since I'm here. Now let's continue our journey. Tap the flame button to enter, then go straight. Let's tap the flame button again to enter. Tap the flame button to enter and go straight a little bit, then turn right. Let's enter here, just tap the flame button. Let's go straight to the left side, then jump on the platform to see the elevated clearing where the Spirit Guide stays. In your right side, you will see a platform like this. Go there and sit down on the meditation spot. Go to the Spirit Guide and tap the red dot button above, and also the red dot button in your right side. Sit down on the meditation spot to start the quest. Go to the spirit and tap the hand button to get the first feather. As you can see, each table has the blue feather, so we'll go each table and get it. Aside from that, after we get the bluebird's feather, each table shows an option for you to choose a costume for the spirit and for you. Tap the wing button. The first one you choose will be automatically the spirit's costume. Now you can choose which one you would like to wear. Let's go to the other tables and do the same until we finish. Now that we're finished, we will go back to the spirit. Tap the expression button to bow. Now we will chase and catch the bluebird. We just need to get close to the bird for you to fly with the bird. Let's observe where the bluebird usually pass, and let's go there near the bird and fly. Just make sure that you are hit by the blue circle light of the blue bird for you to fly. While flying with the bird, press the fly button in your right side. Then, when the hand button pops up, press it. Go to the spirit and tap the hand button. I don't know, but the hand button is gone, so let's continue without her. Go to the meditation spot and sit down. Go to the spirit guide and tap the red dot button above, and also in your right side of the screen. Tap again the red dot button above the spirit and claim the free heart. Let's turn back to get the winged light since we're here. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.